Today I am going to share how to analyze the data by using hLOOKUP. Let's suppose this is the data set that we have. hLOOKUP basically looks for a value within the horizontal table. So over here in this Excel file you can see that we've got the names and we want to find out their commission. So in this case, as for Alan Fred, we want to find out his commission. So we're just going to put equals hLOOKUP. Lookup value is Alan Fred, that is C9. Then put comma. Table array is this whole table, that is the range from A1 to M5. Then put comma. Then comes the row index number, it is 5 as we want to find out the commission and it is in the 5th row. Then put comma. Then we will write false because we want an exact match. Close the bracket and hit enter. You can see that Alan Fred has a commission of 22.17.20. You can double check the value in the table and that's exactly the commission. The best thing about this formula is that it is dynamic. Let's suppose I change from Alan Fred to Disney World. You can see that the number automatically updates. For verification, you can double check the value in the table. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more updates.